Uusi Hotel Ikaalisten kylpylä Ikaalinen Ikaalia building. Nice time. In 1991, it's 66512 4 floors. Look at top. Third floor. Basement. It boasts 630 kilograms. I will take 3 rides. Third floor. So sad that 4th floor is locked off. Yeah. Basement. Inspected, maintained by Kone. Third floor. This is probably best hotel in Finland. One of the biggest ones also. Second floor. Okay. And we are now here, and this building doesn't have elevators, unfortunately. This building has Otis Series 1 elevators and also one space, and here's Ikaalinen Kone band model. This building has Kone Classic. This building has 2 amazing Kone Classic with automatic doors from 1974. Okay, that's